Afternoon, Link Up Radio listeners. My goodness, we call it Fantastic Friday every Friday, and then we say thank Brad, it's Friday. But you know, today is our boy's special day.
Yes.
So we gotta say thanks, Squeeze.
Right,
it's
happy,
Friday.
Right, that's right. Happy Squeeze's birthday today. And I just asked. I walked in. I said, "Where's the birthday boy?" And you said
He's playing hooky today.
He's playing hooky.
He's playing birthday hooky today.
Probably home in his birthday suit, which is
Right.
not really a
Well, it depends, Brad.
vision that I want to think
Maybe
about.
not for you, Brad. Of course, folks, this is Link Up Radio 93.5 FM. I'm Janelle here with Brad Bernstein of the Law Offices of Spawn Bernstein. We are inside the Immigration Link live and alive, and we're also celebrating the Earth Strong, as we say in the Caribbean and in Rastafari culture. We say the Earth Strong of David Squeeze Anarchy. Where you at, Squeeze? Don't stay in your birthday suit too long, okay?
You know he's gonna pop in, right?
He's gonna pop in with like 10 models
Stop,
and 5 bottles of
and
champagne.
by the way, I'm even sorry I haven't said that. Stop putting that vision in my head. All right, I gotta eat lunch after
you
this.
don't like the idea of squeezing his birthday suit?
No, I gotta eat lunch after this.
What about squeezing some sexy Speedos?
No.
What about Squeeze lounging by his pool with a cocktail?
No, nothing. No. Squeeze like fully clothed with like it's 105 degrees, fully clothed with like a hoodie on, the suit, everything,
What if he rolls up on his Ducati?
He doesn't have one.
Yeah, he does. Yes, too.
What?
He got 2 bikes. You didn't know that?
Oh, what kind of bike?
A Ducati.
Oh, a Ducati. I thought you said a book.
And something else.
Yeah, no. There's like $1.5 million car called not a Bucati. A Bugatti, right?
Yeah, he don't got that yet. I'm sure it's on order now.
So I thought you said he's gonna roll up in his. I thought you said he was gonna roll up in his Bugatti, and I'm like, he doesn't have one.
I told him he needs to sell the Lamborghini.
Right.
Trade it in for the Bugatti. Get with the times.
Okay.
Out with the old squeezer, in with the new.
Yes.
All right, so let's talk immigration, folks. Once again, it's a fantastic Friday, and it's a good time to sort out your legal issues. If you have immigration issues, if you have green card questions, if you want to get married, if you want to bring your family here to the country, you know what to do. Give Brad Bernstein a call and ask a question live on air. The number is 1-877 320-5465. We're taking your questions and requests on air, but don't forget, it doesn't stop here. You can also book your appointment to speak with Brad one-on-one and get your personal thorough consultation. Call them up at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. And Yush is going to bring me the wonderful Talis box so that we can patch in those calls.
Is Yush going to do it or nope?
Well, Squeeze likes him to be all independent and self-reliant.
I see. Okay.
You can't blame him for that.
All right. So, Yush, what happened to you yesterday, man?
There
was no Yush yesterday.
Yeah, Yush fly the gate yesterday.
He flew the coop.
No, they like to throw me in the water solo and
flew
see
the
if I
coop.
can swim.
Were you even listening yesterday? No. Didn't even know. Didn't care.
And of course, people
don't
forget.
Yash is like, no, I didn't even care.
Like,
I didn't listen. Why am I going to listen? If it's my day off, why am I going to listen? I want to be as far away from Link Up as possible.
Oh, no.
That's what he just said.
No, can't we all get along?
We can get along. That's what he was thinking, though.
Come on, Brad. You got everybody's back.
Okay.
We're safe.
Right.
All right, so we're going to go to the phone line.
This is immigration, by the way.
Yeah, we want to remind people that we're online.
Yes.
Tell them, Brad.
Oh, okay, so let me tell you what's going on here. This is immigration. We're going to be answering immigration questions for the next 30 minutes or so, 25 minutes, or until Squeeze comes and throws me off, whatever happens first. And in his birthday, if in his birthday suit, he doesn't have to throw me off. I'm running off. But
you're all fired. Get out of here.
But so we're going to answer immigration questions. You can call right now. The lines are wide open. 1-877-320-5465. That's 1-877-320-LINK. You can call right now to get your questions answered live by myself. You can chat with Janelle if you want, whatever you want. Those are the two things you can do for the next 30 minutes. You can also call 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465 if you want to set up a consultation with me. We do the consultations by phone and in person. So you can set up
and you do them internationally as well.
That's right. So you can set up the phone consultation. You can come down to our office located at 225 Broadway. In addition to being live on WVIP FM 93.5 throughout the metropolitan area, you can check us out live on the internet as well at www.the4immigration.com. So you can watch and listen on the internet, or you can just listen on the radio. And to listen on the radio, It's obviously 93.5 FM for people who are watching on the internet. And for people who are listening and want to go watch, it's www.4immigration.com. And that is where we are at.
Oh, you can come on down.
By the way, there was a big powwow yesterday at the White House with about 200 bigwigs. I didn't get my invitation, no, but there was 200 other immigration bigwigs. I guess maybe my invitation got lost in the mail. Must have.
They're like, don't bring that Bernstein guy over.
Must have got lost in the mail. But 200 immigration bigwigs met at the White House with the head of the Homeland Security Department. President popped in for a few minutes, and they are working. It's more political bigwigs than immigration lawyers, right? And they are working to get a consensus on an immigration bill. And it's not really in the papers, but I kind of see what's going on. And they're trying to work on getting a consensus for the immigration bill for 2010, so we don't have this mess like we have right now with health care. So the goal is to get a consensus on immigration and get it through very fast and not have a big debate on it. So that's all what's going on.
So the pot is bubbling right now.
Behind the scenes.
Nice.
So it's moving along. But in the meantime, we're going to answer your immigration questions. The thing that I want to remind everybody again, okay, is you can't solve your problems unless you pick your head out of the sand and decide you want to do something. Okay? So now is a very, very good time to try to resolve your immigration issues. Do it well before the immigration laws change. If you can, get yourself in the system, because when the immigration laws change, immigration is going to be so overwhelmed, so overburdened with applications. Whatever immigration benefit you're going to be asking for, you're going to be waiting a very, 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 very long time for.
Right.
Okay, so if you are eligible for your citizenship, go do it now. It's only 6 months.
Yep.
Okay,
you know what they say,
you have that
really
special,
birds
you have that
eat
special
first.
person to get married to. Do it now. It's only a 4-month wait.
Get married
Okay.
now. Don't wait.
Right.
Life is
If
too
you have
short.
if you have that special person. If you don't have that special person, but you're here out of status, get yourself in the system. Get sponsored by somebody. Get sponsored in a job. Get sponsored by a family member. Okay, get into the system, because when the laws do change, it will all benefit all of you to do that. Okay. Now, finally, when you do call me at 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465, I am not the FBI. I am not the Immigration Service. I'm not the CIA. I am not the U.S.
not the
Embassy.
Matrix.
I'm not the Matrix.
You're Neo.
I don't know what that means, but I'll agree with you. But what I am is an immigration lawyer who, when you tell me things, it's all done confidentially within a closed-door environment if necessary. And whatever you tell me, I can't go around and report you or tell on you or call immigration on you or put you in any worse position than when you were when you came in. So it really pays, okay? It really pays to come on down just to see what can be done for you. How can I help myself? How can I better my life? Okay?
Yeah.
So, again, if that's of an interest to you, and I think it should be of an interest to anybody who is here out of status or has any immigration problem whatsoever, even if you have a green card, or you want to try to help your family member, it should be of an interest, you should want to call 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. So let's go to the lines.
Absolutely. Let's go straight to the phone lines. Good afternoon, caller. Thank you for calling the Immigration Link. What's your question for Brad Bernstein today?
Hi, good morning. My first question...
Yes, you got to raise my volume here. 1 second.
Hi,
Start
I'm
again.
sorry.
All I heard was good morning.
Hi, good
There we
morning.
go. There we go.
Hi, my question is this, simple. After you're granted your permanent green card, is it possible for them to come back and revoke your green card?
Yes, they can.
Okay.
If it was received fraudulently,
No, absolutely not.
then no, they would have to put you in deportation then.
Okay.
Okay. So in other words, they can revoke it up to 5 years. Within 5 years, if they discover that you were never eligible for the green card in the first place.
Okay.
Okay.
And only on those bases.